Queries in Entity Framework core are not executed when they are created. The execution of query in EF core is deferred until some of the conditions or one of the certain scenario is met. Let's understand that with examples. So the queries that we define in EF core are executed under one of the following scenarios. First is when they are iterated over. What this means is, let's take a look with example. If we retrieve all of the books in the variable book collection, and then in next statement we have a double total price variable. After that we have a for each loop in which we want to iterate through the book. Under this scenario, can you tell me when the query is actually executed across the database? It won't be done on the line 1. It will actually be done inside the for each loop because at that moment you want to extract the value from the book collection. The next scenario will be when you make a call to dictionary, to list, or to array on the result. Again, we have an example in which we are getting all of the books from the database and we have .toList. Then in the next statement we are iterating with the for each loop inside the book list. In this scenario, the execution of the query will be done at the first phase because we are using .toList method. The last example will be when call any method that returns a single object. Some of the examples are first, single, count, max, and much more. In the example that you see below, book count 1 and book count 2 will be executed. The book collection 2, that call will be executed also on the second line, which is where we calculate book count 1, where we have the .count method. This is basic deferred execution, but it is always good to see live demo of these examples. So let's switch back to our project, and inside the book we have this button for playground. But we never added any code in the action method. So let's add some code and do some testing in the next video.